Yeah, hi Martin, it's Mark at FMAV. Just to let you know that I've done your laser, and it's all working as it should be. Yeah, I do want to point out the unit has been in. Yeah, it's definitely like a pub or a club, or it's had some real hard life. This part, I have cleaned all the cogs, and they were. Yeah, it's never been serviced, mate. It's you know what I mean. It's what 25, 30 years old, and that's not been serviced. But I've given it a, I've cleaned the cogs for you. I've cleaned the micro switch, and obviously I've replaced the laser with a brand new one. Now I have had this running for several hours, probably about 4 hours on my desk here while I've been working, doing some other work, and I'm seeing zero faults, no stickings, no wearing on the spindle. Because what happens sometimes when they get hot, they tend to slow down a bit. I'm not getting any of this. But what I am saying is it's a well-used part. You know what I mean? It's not a lot I can do about that. But I've looked at the cogs. They are still tight, and they're nice and tight cogs, so they're not just flopping about all over the place. So yeah, it's all done. Like I say, you got a 6-month warranty on the laser, and that's the laser only. Okay, because that's the only thing that we've replaced. So we haven't replaced cogs or micro switches or boards or anything like that. It is as you sent it to us, but we've just done the laser and given it a clean for you, really. We don't charge for doing the cleaning or anything, as you can appreciate, but